As you can see, not even any trucks have been on this street. The street is completely covered with snow. On Harborview Avenue, you can see at least some trucks have come by. On Homestead Avenue, not even one truck has passed by.
It's a mess. It's a huge mess.
You think the city's doing a good job?
No, not at all. Not by a long shot.
So here we are at Harborview Avenue. The storm ended yesterday morning, Saturday morning, and it's Sunday morning right now. And as you can see, Harborview Avenue has not been plowed. A lot of cars still stuck. People turning on their snow removing machines and trying to get out of the snow. But the city has not removed snow from the main streets in Bridgeport, like Harborview Avenue is a main street. You guys know when the snow plows are coming here with the city?
No idea.
What do you think about that?
Why we don't? We think it sucks, and we think the city's doing a shitty job.
Oh.
And what I'm afraid of is what's going to happen if there's a fire or somebody needs an ambulance.
This is a City of Bridgeport truck that's parked here, but it's not being used. Public facilities. Looks like this truck could be in use right now, this pickup truck. We could really use a pickup truck right now to plow all this out. We're on the corner of Woodland Avenue, and here we have Harborview Place. And you see not one truck has been by this street at all, not even a truck. See, on Harborview Avenue there's been a truck there, but on Harborview Place there's a snowplow here finally that's starting to plow the street. Many people are upset with the fact that other towns have their main streets plowed out. Brewster Street is a main street, a thoroughfare that goes to Fairfield Avenue. And here is the plow. The first sign that I've seen in Black Rock, Bridgeport, working to get the snow out of the way here. Brewster, this is Calderwood. So these guys are stuck.
We're good.
This guy's out here with a t-shirt.
Nowhere.
These guys, there's only one lane each direction, and these cars are all backed up here because someone's stuck and they can't turn around. The plow's coming down? See, this car, all those cars are facing that direction because this guy's stuck over there. So they're going actually on the wrong side of the road, but this car is stuck and this guy's upset because he can't go by. He's working here and he's wondering why people are driving when they shouldn't.